Regain your hair and confidence with a FUE hair transplant. At Cancun Hair Restoration, we offer the best solution for hair loss, using advanced technology and a highly skilled team of specialists. Enjoy natural, permanent results with no visible scars and a quick recovery. FUE hair transplant is a minimally invasive procedure that involves extracting individual hair follicles from the donor area and carefully implanting them in thinning regions, ensuring a uniform, natural, and long-lasting result. Thanks to our technique, you'll experience minimal discomfort and can quickly return to your routine. Why choose us? Natural and long-lasting results. With FUE hair transplant, your new hair will look completely natural. Faster recovery. No visible scarring and a quick recovery, allowing you to resume your daily activities sooner. Cutting-edge technology. We use advanced techniques to ensure the best results with minimal invasiveness. Personalized care. We focus on your specific needs to offer a treatment tailored just for you. Don't let hair loss affect your confidence. At Cancun Hair Restoration, we make FUE hair transplant a unique experience, paying attention to every detail to ensure the result is exactly what you expect. Transform your look today. Contact us now to schedule your consultation with our specialists.